Now I think of it totally different than what I thought it was in first year. When I was in first year, I didn't realise that we'd be doing so many different things. I didn't realise like all the areas we could work in and all the different specialities there are. You know, you can work it with like children, you can work in specialities like renal disease, you can do like community clinics. There's so many different things. I didn't realise when I first started that I get to do all that sort of thing, and like now I'm sort of graduating thinking there's so many areas I can go into, which I didn't think I'd have the option to do that at all.
When I first applied to do dietetics, I thought it would be just kind of an overview of nutrition in general, but now after going through my 3 placements, I see that it's actually so much wider than that, and it's a lot of clinical information that you're learning, and you're putting that into practice when you're actually going out to be a dietitian.
Initially, when I first started, it's all very science-based. When I was in school, I really enjoyed science, so that was quite good for me. So I enjoyed the whole science side of things. And then because it's dietetics, there's a lot of like the food element and cooking, and you have to like do food labs and then actual like chemistry labs as well. So I enjoyed the practical element as well. But definitely my favourite part was being out on placement. I think whenever you get to apply everything that you've learned like practically, and that you see like, okay, I can see why I've learned all this now. I think that was definitely my favourite part, just being out and doing the job and getting really into it. Yeah, really enjoyed it.
RGUs gave me the skills to go off and be a dietitian in England or Scotland, throughout the UK.